Hello everyone, my name is Stanley, and in this video I'm going to showcase our team's project, which is Engramind. And Engramind is about securing your legacy. It's about turning your life memories into digital treasures that live forever on the blockchain. You can also create scenarios where you can practice your sales skills, your budgeting skills, etc. And as you can see here, that the project is already deployed on the mainnet. And let's just connect. Yeah, as you can see here, we are already logged in, and first we see that we have the role play scenarios, persona, rubrics, glossary, and file management. And I'll just go with the role play scenarios first. So role play scenario is where you can have a conversation with an AI that has a personality. So this is the sales performance with Jeff Bezos, this enterprise deal negotiation, performance improvement discussion, etc. Okay, so we can just click on new role. To create this, we can just click on the new role play, and then there are two types that we can choose: quick creation, advanced creation. And let's go with the quick creation first. And in the quick create scenario, it's quite simple of what you need to provide. So you need to provide the scenario title, you need to provide your role in the conversation, what the AI's role in the conversation, and the scenario description. And you can also add a source file as a supporting document for the AI. And for this demo, I'll just go with the scenario preset, and I'll just click on the enterprise deal negotiation. So with this, my role will be a senior sales manager, the AI's role will be a procurement director, and the context is about sales. In the scenario, negotiate a high value contract with specific terms. Create a detailed role-play scenario for an enterprise deal negotiation situation between a senior sales manager and a procurement director. Okay, so let's click on create scenario, and it will take about 1 to 2 minutes, and we can just close this. So that is the create scenario. And now let's go to the next one, which is the advanced creation. And so we can provide the same things like the previous one, which is the scenario title, scenario description, and add source file, except that we don't have the AI role and my role anymore. We have the select persona, select rubric, and select glossary. So what is this persona, rubric, and glossary? So persona, let's say I want to choose Jeff Bezos, and as you can see here, that this is a persona details of Jeff Bezos. He is a founder and executive chairman of Amazon, 60 years old, American. This is background, skills, and abilities, and so on. What is a rubric? Rubric is like assessment levels. And if we can see here sales rubrics, this is role play rubric for sales skills, and this is these are the levels that are being graded: communication effectiveness, needs identification, closing technique, etc. And these are the descriptions. And glossary is optional. It's an additional document for the AI to know more context about the conversation. If I can close more than $1,000 of sales this month, I'll be promoted, and so on. Okay, so let's create a scenario title: sales performance with Jeff Bezos. Make a scenario based on the persona and rubric provided. Okay, so now we can just click on scenario, create scenario, and it will take about 1 to 2 minutes. We can close this dialog and we can go back. And as we can see, the enterprise deal negotiation that we created is already finished. This one. Okay, so now I'll just go to persona. So this is the persona that we chose for the advanced creation, which is Jeff Bezos. And to create this is very simple. We can just go here to click new persona. We add a persona name, for example, Bruno Mars. Make a personalized description of Bruno Mars. And we can also add source files for supporting documents for the AI. Now we click here, and then we can just close it, and it will create the Bruno Mars persona for us. And yeah, I'll just move on to rubrics. So so persona created successfully. We'll go back to it later. So rubrics, this is the sales rubrics that we chose for the Jeff Bezos conversation roleplay scenario. And to create this very similar to persona, you can just click on new rubric, for example. Rubrics name singing rubrics. Make a rubric for singing performance, for example. And save rubrics. We can close this while it's creating, and it's going to take some time. I just go to glossary. This is the sales glossary. I've created this. Roleplay failed to be created. Sometimes it happens, but I've created it. I've created something before this video, so we can just demo it right away. So for rubrics, if I can close, for rubrics it's very similar. For glossary it's very similar. You can just go enter glossary name singing, for example. I want to be able to sing like Bruno Mars, for example, and create glossary. Yeah, and then it's done. Glossary created successfully. I want to be able to sing like Bruno Mars. And this is file management. We can just upload files. You just upload files. Let's say business model, for example, or this one, business mode.jpg. Click upload. You just close this, and and then it's just going to upload it. So these are the stuff that we can use for creating our roleplay scenario. So this is the Bruno Mars that we created earlier, singer, songwriter, blah blah blah, so on and so on. And then there's the rubrics that we created: singing rubrics, singing performance rubrics, vocal technique, musicality, stage presence, song choice, etc. This is how we create the rubric that we used for the advanced roleplay scenario. Okay, so this is a roleplay this is an advanced roleplay that I've created previously as Jeff Bezos as the persona, and the sales rubrics as the rubrics. So now we can click here, vibe check, and it will create conversation. So for example, hello, I want to improve my sales skills. All right, let's get down to business. I'm always into what's on your mind. I want to be able to close this month. Any ideas or techniques? I am selling second-hand phones and laptops, and I'm selling it to teenagers. Test high quality, for example. So so you get the point. So this is a personalized conversation with AI, and it can help you with improving your sales performance with an AI agent. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for